How to see your customer number on Natwest app. It's very easy thing to do. I will explain you each and everything that where you can find your customer number. So first of all, you can just visit Natwest website, or even though you can visit to your Natwest mobile application. Once you're here, if you're login, then it's become very easy to find your customer number. But if you don't, then you can just follow the steps here. By the way, the steps which I'm going to show you is similar and exactly for everyone. So here you have to just type your account and just hit the enter. And once you click on the account, you will find this option, find account details. By the way, you can just copy paste and you can search here too. So click on find account details here, and once you tap on it, you will on the right side you will see a FAQ. So here it says, where can I find my account number and sort code? Just click on it. Once you click on it, this is for the mobile apps. Let me zoom it out for you. So here it says login into your app, right? And once you log in, tap on the account you want to see, scroll down to the account settings, tap view or share account details, tap view account details to see your customer number and short code. So you can just follow these steps. By the way, this is for online banking. If you are into your mobile application, this is enough for you, and in this way you will find easily your account number. I hope you found this video very useful.